Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and easy beaded bracelet. In our materials, I have round pearl, and this is 6mm, and also I have two sizes of 11/0 seed beads. I have the silver and green, and I have my clasp, and I already put my jump ring and 1 inch of chain, and I'm going to use 2 needles, and this is size 11, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. I pick up 7 of my 11/0 silver seed beads, then my clasp, then I'll pick up 1 green seed bead, and then cross, so I'll just tape it here. Then I'll pick up 1 each of green, and down, then pick up 1 green, then cross, then I'll pick up 8 of silver, so pick up 8 on my right side, and on my left I'll pick up 1 silver, the pearl and silver, then down, this one also down, and pick up 1 green, then cross, then pick up 1 green each thread, then down, then pick up another green, then cross. So on my left side, I'm going to pick up 8 of silver, and then on my right, pick up 1 silver, pearl and silver, and then down, then pick up 1 green, and cross, pick up 1 green in each thread, then down, pick up another green, then cross, then on my right I'll pick up 8 of my silver, And on my left, I'll pick up one silver, pearl, and silver, and down, pick up one green, and cross. So I'm going to continue adding my beads until I get my desired length. For this project, I'm going to use 14 of my 6mm round pearl. So this will be alternate. Adding my last silver, pearl, and silver on my right thread, then down, and on my left is 8 silver, then pick up one green, cross, then pick up one green each thread, then down, then pick up another one, and cross. I'm going to set aside my first needle. So I'm going to pick up 7 of silver, then pass through. Oh, I'm going to attach my chain first, then pass through the green, pass through 4 seed beads, 11 silver, then pick up one silver, then pass through 4 silver, pick up another one, pass through 4, pick up 1, pass through 4 silver, and I'm going to continue adding 1 silver using this thread here, 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 until here. I'm done adding 11/0 silver on this side using my first thread, and I'm going to use the second thread, adding 1 silver on the other side. Then pass through 4 silver, then pick up 1, then pass through 4, pick up 1 silver, I'm going to continue adding 1 11/0 silver here, here, until here. I'm going to pass through some beads, make some couple of knots before I cut my thread, and I also do the same on the other one. So it's done. So the size of this is 7 1/4 without the clasp, with 14 6mm round pearls. So it's pretty. I hope you like it, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.